This week is a busy but short week for most people. Celebrations of Good Friday and Easter happen at the end of the week, and some have an abbreviated work week. But networking for LeTip of Dallas is always 24/7. We have 3 members we will be highlighting this week. AJ Johnson is one of our newest members, and he will be showboating home security and automation systems. Safety and smart home features are an ever more important to families, especially when you forget to lock the door. Gilbert Delgado of Superior Carpet Cleaning is our greeter this week. His specialty is damage mitigation services. He helps you to remove the excess water and repairs damages to your home. Gilbert will meet our guests and members at the door to welcome them to our ever-growing group. Our speaker this week is Ron Edwards of Big Feet Creations. Ron doesn't like white, blank pieces of paper. He likes materials that are colorful, vibrant, and intriguing to the eye. With Ron's graphics artist's eye, Ron can make any blank piece of paper look like magic. Come join us this Wednesday at 11:30 a.m. to network with us at Sherlocks Baker Street Pub in Addison, Texas. Please bring plenty of business cards, a 30-second commercial, and be prepared to shake a lot of hands.